Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. How you guys are doing? I hope your watercolor is going great. Thank you so much liking my previous videos. So today I come up with a very interesting subject, and that is this watercolor landscape having a very wonderful cloudy atmosphere. So a very quick session to create this landscape. So we will start with making a sketch. So what we need to do is we just need to just give it a very light a sketch of this cloud, and most of the things we will be covering with the watercolor. So I hope this entire process you will be enjoying. Just go through it and practice. Just don't just look at the painting, but also you just need to implement it in your version. Try to make a sample painting every day, and this is how you will start to learn.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Singh and I'm a watercolor artist. I love teaching watercolor art, and I've been teaching watercolor for many years, and I've seen the people are improving their skill after taking my class. So particularly in this class I'm going to teach you this project. This is watercolor landscape, which gives you a more ability to paint watercolor landscape the way you want. Not only this subject, but even after taking this class you will be learning the various aspect of the various fundamental of making landscape in watercolor. So you will have a fantastic time going through this watercolor class, and I'm sure after this class you will equipped with a lot of skill where you can make your own watercolor paint, watercolor landscape, or wherever or however you want. The important part is to learning the fundamental and the basic, the basic aspect of watercolor. And I look forward to have you in my class. So I see you there.